I've tried to do this in a 1 minute post, and it's not going to happen. I can tell you now, it doesn't happen. So I want to do this. Probably be my first IGTV post. I want to talk about calories and actually setting calories for your client properly. The issue we've got at the minute is the general population of clients, which for most of you is probably going to be 99% of your client base, the general population. They've been told by their doctors, they've been seeing it on the TV, they've been told by various people, oh, you just need to eat a little bit less and you need to do a little bit more activity. But here's the problem, right? When you look at somebody's BMR, right? So their BMR whilst they're at rest. So I've just put up some arbitrary numbers here for comparison's sake. If their BMR comes out at 1900 calories, just for them to lay in bed and do absolutely nothing apart from breathe, this is how many calories they need to sustain that, okay? As soon as you stand up and get out of bed, this number goes up, right? So when you look at somebody's total daily energy expenditure, when you look at their non-exercise activity thermogenesis, their exercise activity thermogenesis, and you look at the thermic effect of food, which is how many calories do you need to actually break down a carb, a protein, or a fat, these all equate to calories going out. Ideally, and this is taught to you when you're level 3s, ideally you want to be either in a 200 calorie deficit surplus if you're looking at muscle gain, or you want to be in a 500 calorie deficit if you're looking for weight loss. So now you know that their new calorie intake should be 2,900 calories, sorry. If you were to take a 500 calorie deficit away from that, what you end up with now is they need to eat 2,400 calories a day to now lose weight and to now lose fat. Here's the kicker. If they've already been eating 2,500 calories a day and they're told that they need to eat less to lose weight, if they drop down now to 1,500 calories, you've now got a 1,400 calorie deficit. Your body is not going to love you, or anybody's body is not going to love them for putting their body into a 1,400 calorie a day deficit. It's madness, utter fucking madness, right? So this is where, so I've just had to put a client up to 3,000 calories a day because he's a tall guy, he's 6'5", he's a massive guy, right? He needs to eat a lot of food. And the light finally went on for him this week. He's finally said, I have realised now how much I'm not eating, because he's actually started to track his calories. And it's shameful. He's in a 1,400 calorie a day deficit, which is insane. Insane. The knock-on effect of that is that your metabolism, the adaptation that your metabolism will go through is that it will slow down. It will prioritize, your body will prioritize survival over fat loss. Your body will prioritize survival over sexual function. It will prioritize survival over everything else. So if you're not feeding your body enough, or your clients are not feeding your body enough, they're going to have an adverse metabolic effect, which is not what you want. You want their bodies to be super efficient, supercharged, calorie burning machines, which means they need to eat a lot of food. So it's just something to bear in mind that a calorie deficit should be 500 calories per day, not 1,500 calories a day. Once you've made this adjustment for activity and they're eating too low, you've got to fix it. You've got to be on top of your clients.